Day 248 of my body transformation. Today is another exciting day for us. Masarap kasi ang kakainin natin after gym. Buti na lang din at lower body ang routine natin for today. Ito yung pinakamalaking muscle group ng katawan natin. Kaya dito din tayo pinakamadaming energy na nako-consume. More energy consumption means more appetite after. And syempre, kapag mataas ang appetite, mas sumasarap ang mga pagkain. Sakto at naimbitahan na naman tayo ng Kenny Rogers. This is our 4th time working with them. And honestly, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin tayo nagsasawa sa food nila. Sobrang sarap kasi, tapos sobrang healthy pa. Align talaga sa lifestyle natin. Sayang lang at hindi pa natin pwede i-disclose yung product since ila-launch pa lang ito. Pero promise, masarap talaga. By the way, I just wanna say thank you to everyone who's been supporting our fitness journey. Every like, comment, view, and even yung mga pambabash helps our engagement. And that's how big brands notice us. Kaya maraming salamat talaga. Hanggat di kayo nagsasawa manood, hindi rin tayo magsasawa i-share yung fitness journey natin. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Yan na muna ngayon. Bukas ulit.